In this quick demo, I'm going to show how you can import the data from the ESRI shapefile into EasyGrade. First of all, click on under the File menu, click on File, New, and I'm going to put this in the same directory where we've got the shapefile, and I'm going to call it T01 yield. So just type that in and click enter, and that's created a blank file. One thing just to check before you go any further, under the File menu, just look that this is in the correct units. So if you're in the States, you normally use survey feet, and that's just shown here as the SF at the bottom here. Okay, click on Import and ESRI shape. Now you need to browse to where you've got this on the hard drive. Here it's under Downloads, T01 yield, T01 yield. That's the shapefile. So click on it, click Open. Now what this is doing, this is asking, with a shapefile, there's a DBF file that goes with it. It's got this extra data, and this extra data can have different headings. So EasyGrade doesn't know what heading corresponds to the height. So it's asking some help here. Height here is going to be elevation. Just left click on elevation. Now we're not importing a design height, so you can ignore that and just click OK. Now this needs to be improved on EasyGrade, but it sits here for about 30 seconds importing. It doesn't show that anything's happening, so just be aware of that. I'll have a look at that and see if we can improve this bit so it gives you the feedback on what's happening. So we'll just have to wait, and I'll just cut out the wait bit later from the video. Okay, we're back. Now it's jumped up here. Now this ESRI file, it's not necessarily in the units you want in the job. Now this is a new thing, but I'll explain that in the email I would have sent to you. I looked at this file before we started, and the units in the ESRI shapefile are actually in meters, so just change that to meters. It's actually in lat longs and meters, and we want the job units to correspond to that, which is survey feet. Just click OK, and what it's done is brought the job in and says, do you want surface and contours created automatically? Just say yes. So now it's just creating a digital model from the individual points. A lot of GIS files do this as a way of representing it, gets a surface from it. Once that surface is done, it'll create some contours. Now if you look at this, you just have a zoom of part of it. We'll zoom it up, so click on that button there, and we've got all these individual points in here. We'll just turn that off. So go to the top row here, you're going to turn those points off. We can probably reduce the contour interval too, but I'll just show you one other thing too. You notice for the points it's filled in some points around this area here. Filled the triangles across it. Just zoom up here. Just turn on your triangles. You can see this area here. I think there was a house and things there. We really don't want the job to jump across there. So what we're going to do, click on contour and surface parameters. There's a thing in here, max and distance along edge of triangles, so make that 75. Click OK. And we'll change the contour intervals as well. Make it major 3, minor 1 foot. Click OK. Display the complete job. So zoom extents. And go click Form Model. You could have actually clicked auto create here, it would have done the same thing. I'll just show you how to manually do it. Right, you can see the triangles I haven't gone across that area now, just form contours. Yes. Right, turn off the triangles. So that's our job. What I find often helpful to colour in the background. So click on that. Just say surface colours. This is default to some equidistant values. You can change those values if you like, but we'll just keep what we've got, shape by height. And that bump map that shades the colours. So on one side of a hill it's darker compared to the other. It gives an impression of a 3D shape. So click OK, and I'll redraw it again with that colour thing. Okay, I'll just finish this tutorial here, and I'll come back with a couple more. Okay, thank you.